Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. I'm excited to let you know that we are hosting a yoga body challenge starting on Saturday, April 21st. If you haven't done a challenge before with us, here's why challenges are fun. So challenges are workout programs that add a community element. So instead of following a workout program on your own, you're going to be doing the workout program as a community. So every day I'll send out an email with a new workout. And your job is just to do your best to finish that workout before the end of the day. If you don't get to it, don't worry about it. Just do your best to do the workout the next day. So the reason why we're doing the Yoga Strong or the Yoga Body program as the challenge for this time around is because summer is coming up and I want you to get ready for beach season. So this program, Yoga Strong / Yoga Body, helps with building not just a body that looks good, but also a body that functions well. So we're going to be working on building functional strength. We're going to work on endurance, strength, mobility, core strength, preventing or addressing the direct root causes of pain, of injury, of joint pain. At the same time, also building a body that looks good. We're gonna tone muscle. We're gonna lose weight. You're gonna lose inches off your waist. Yes, losing inches off your waist. I can say that without lying because it's true. We've got tons of people who have lost inches off their waist from just 1 month of yoga. And so I wanna challenge you to see what results you can get from following the Yoga Strong / the Yoga Body program in just 1 month. So it's only 4 weeks. So tough it out for 4 weeks, do the workouts, do your best, get involved with the community, and have some fun while you're at it. The only thing you need for the challenge, there's no additional cost to enter. You just need to make sure that you have the Yoga Strong or the Yoga Body program. Both have all the workouts that you need for the challenge. Equipment-wise, you're just going to need a yoga block, a yoga strap, and a yoga mat. I'd recommend getting 2 yoga blocks just because that makes it easier. And that's it. So we start on Saturday, April 21st. And all you need to do is sign up in the space below, or if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, click the link below and that will take you to the sign up page. I just need your name and your email address so I can send you the daily challenge emails. Again, we're starting on Saturday, April 21st. It's free to join. You just need the Yoga Strong or the Yoga Body program to participate. Thanks guys for watching. I hope to see you in the challenge and have an awesome day.